Here's an alarm installed on a 2003 to 2007 classic body style Chevy Silverado. This is the autopage rf-425. You get the quarter-mile pager, lock and unlock with security. This model does not remote start. I repeat, it does not remote start. You get lock, unlock, and security only. You hit the lock button, locks the doors. Hit unlock, unlocks the doors. Pop trunk for the cars. On the inside, we set up a blue LED light. When you hit lock, activates the light. This is the alarm system, autopage rf-425. If any of the doors are open or the vehicle is hit, it will fire off the alarm and it makes the pager beep. You can set it to beep or vibrate, whichever you would like. Right now the doors are locked. LED light is flashing right by the window. Now we're going to hit the vehicle and it'll set it off. There, the remote tells us it's been hit. We have all types of security systems, remote starters available here at Innovative Car Sound. Come by the shop, check us out. We are open Monday to Saturday, 10 to 6. Closed on Sunday. We'll see you guys on the next one.